let it open on its own a little bit. And then the best thing to do would be to open the zippers to let it air out a little bit. And open up, and you grab it by the two wires on each side, shake it a few times, and let it stand. When you're ready to put your My Pod away, you want both side doors to be zipped up all the way. You'll want the front door to be open like it's on a hinge, and lay the pod on its back. You lay the right side in, so when the pod is on its side, you can see these wires are in an S shape, and it needs to be flat. In order to make the wire flat, you reach under to where the zipper is, and you turn it right side out, and you do the rest on the other side. The wires must be straight and they must be flat. Once your pod is flat in half, you stand behind it, grab the top about 8 inches apart with your hands, and you fold it halfway, and you step right behind it so your legs are pressing against the pod. So here's the front view once it's folded in half. What you need to do is curl the front under. This is very important. Curl the front under, and the right side folds down, and the left side folds down into a neat circle.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.